Hi, I'm Christella from Fai, and in case you don't know, Fai is Greek for food. Today I'm bringing you a recipe from my pre-detox treat that's in collaboration with Dr. Sandra Cabot. Today I'm making you some really creamy chicken curry. To start off with, I'm going to add some onion, garlic and some ginger. Now I've already pre-chopped them and cleaned them, so just make sure the garlic and the ginger is cut quite small so that you don't get shreds of ginger in your curry. And just add them all in. And we're going to chop these for 3 seconds on speed 7. Now just scrape down the sides. Oh, that smells so delicious with the ginger in there. And now I'm going to add 45 grams of olive oil. And then I'm going to cook that for 5 minutes at 100 degrees on speed 1. So now we're going to add our chicken. And we've also got some of our herbs. So let me read them out to you. I've got cumin, 10 grams, garam masala, 5 grams, some curry powder, 5 grams. Now with the curry powder, depending on how hot you like it or like how much flavor you like, you can add a little bit more or a little bit less, especially if you're using it for the kids. And I've also added a little bit of pinch of stevia. Now if you don't want to use stevia, that's just to like break a little bit of the spice and give it a little bit of the sweetness to it. You can use some natural sugar if you like, so like honey or maple syrup or whatever your preferred sweetener is. So we'll add that all to the bowl. Oh, and I do also have a teaspoon of salt in there as well, so just salt to taste. Oops. Spilling it everywhere, try and get that all in the bowl. And then we're going to cook that for 10 minutes. At 100 degrees. Now make sure you put it on reverse. And it's on the slowest speed, so that's just your spoon speed. Now I'm using chicken thigh. It's probably the best chicken to use for a curry like this so that it doesn't shred. Cut your chicken into bigger pieces if you use something like the breast, just so that it doesn't shred in the Thermomix. Okay, so we're going to scrape down the sides now. Just make sure all the mixture is back down into the liquid. Now we're going to just add in, I've got some coconut cream, I've got 25 grams of chicken stock, and I also have some lemon juice. Add all that in. And now we're going to cook that for 5 minutes. At 100 degrees, reverse, speed 1, and just make sure you take that MC off because we now want it to start reducing so all the liquid can start evaporating. So we're just going to add in some homemade yogurt now. So this is just your Greek yogurt. I haven't strained it or anything, but you can use coconut yogurt if you prefer. I'm just going to use this one. And then we're going to cook that off again for 5 minutes. And we're only going to put that at 90 degrees just so it doesn't separate. Reverse and speed 1. So we're going to serve this one straight up. I'm actually going to serve it on just some shredded cabbage. You can serve it up on some cauliflower rice or anything else that you prefer, but I just like something a little bit different because these are like a little bit like noodles and they taste delicious. So we'll add some top. Some of that beautiful juice on there as well, because it's got so much flavour. And then just to finish it off, I'm just going to add a little bit more yogurt just on top. And that's your chicken curry.